So here's a scenario for you. You finally talk your boss into getting AI for the whole company. It's been 3 years of you browbeating everybody. We got to get AI. Now you got AI. And you no sooner get back to your desk and your support line rings. It's Sally from accounting. And she's yelling that her AI doesn't work because it won't take her spreadsheet. So you go over there and look. She's got a spreadsheet that's got over 1 million records on it. And she's trying to stuff it into Claude. Of course, that's like 111 million tokens worth of information. That ain't going to work. What do? You start explaining to Sally about tokens and LLMs and context windows? No, you don't got to do any of that. All you need is this. What's right up here? Am I pointing at it? Where's my finger? There we go. All you need is this up here behind my big old head. jDatamunch, MCP, our new product.
Hey, everybody! It's time for AI Tips with Jay!
Hi, everybody. It's your weird Uncle Jay, and I'm excited to announce our new third product, the third tier in the jMunch family, the jDatamunch-mcp, that allows you to take spreadsheets and other huge-ass documents like that and smash them down, compact them, munch them, if you will, into a small enough bite-sized component that you can feed it into Claude and not go broke doing it. Let me pull up the spreadsheet here. The example spreadsheet we have out on the GitHub for you. Ooh, there it is. Now look down here. I took time earlier to scroll down to this so you wouldn't have to sit and watch me do it because it was a long, painful, and arduous process. Old man with arthritis and Parkinson's trying to scroll down 1 million records. It was an ugly thing to see, and I'm glad you weren't there to witness it. But yeah, we got like over 1 million records here. There's Claude tried to compact. It worked out to like 111 million tokens. And that's a lot of tokens. Your big honkin' Mondo token windows only take like 1 million tokens, and that's $5. So you're talking about like a $550, $560 request if you were even able to cram all this in there. So what do? Sally's got this big old spreadsheet. She wants to ask AI questions about it. What are you going to do? I'll tell you what you're going to do. You saw it before behind my big old head. You're going to do this. You're going to... Where is it? It would be a lot more dramatic if I was better at this. You're going to do this. Yeah, you're going to install jDatamunch-mcp and impress the heck out of Sally, your boss, and everybody else, because she'll be able to query it with like 5,000 tokens instead of 111 million, which is, face it, between you and me, way too many tokens. Some of you may notice Uncle Jay's got his hair down for this one, and the reason is that this NVIDIA thing that takes away the background so you can't see my office, my messy office, if you do it wrong in the wrong light or whatever, it makes you look bald-headed. So I found out that if I let my hair down, I look young and jubilant and nubile. I look as spry and youthful as, I don't know, Willie Nelson or something. So that's why I did that. Anyway, back to the thing. So where is it? Where'd it go? Yeah, so back to the spreadsheet. So you try and cram all this in, it's going to give you grief. So let me go to I got to go to the window here. Oh, geez, I don't have the window open. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Claude here and you're going to say, hey, Claude, we gotta find out stuff about this file. And you're going to tell it where the file is, but you're not going to go dragging it in there because your jDataMcp server is going to look at that file and it's going to munch it down into bite-sized chunks. Also, it's going to be like 96% accurate when it queries against it. Even if you could manage to cram that entire spreadsheet into little bitty Claude's 1 million token context window, it would not be very accurate. You figure when you escalate to 1 million tokens, your accuracy drops down to 76%. What would it be at 111 million? Your accuracy would be like 0.7%. if I'm doing the math right in my head. And I'm probably not because I got GED. But, you know, you get what you pay for, and it's a free video. So, yeah. So, go ahead and do that. This stuff's all on the GitHub repository for jDatamunch-mcp. You just pull it right out of the read-through if you want. The benchmarks are out there and everything, but all you got to do is start asking your questions, and boom, they're going to cost you 2 cents per query and not $560 per query. So that's a better price. 2 cents is way less than $560. Am I right? Publicly schooled peeps? Where are my public school peeps at? Public school peeps in the house? Yo, what up? So anyway, that's our new product. I'm excited to say it's our first one that's not targeted directly at developers. You don't got to be a developer to get the benefits of this. You just got to be somebody who uses big honking spreadsheets.
AI tips with J.